Peppa Pig tales. Let's jump in. Wow, this shop is huge.
Right, let's find the mixers.
Peppa and her family are doing some shopping at a very big store.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Oh, I'm just... Hey, who's talking?
Fridge door is open. Fridge door is open.
A talking fridge! Ooh, what's your name, Mrs. Fridge?
I don't have one yet. Why don't you choose it?
Okay, I'm going to call you...
Okay, my name is... Very nice to meet you.
Hi, Oink. I'm Peppa Pig. What else can you do, Oink?
Peppa is having lots of fun in the shop, and she's not the only one.
How about this one?
You see, George, the trick is you've got to keep the candy floss twirling.
Not so close, George.
What a sweet hairstyle, George.
Lights on, lights off. How can I help? Not me.
It's coming from over there.
Peppa's having lots of fun with her new fridgy friend.
Play music. Oink, lights on, lights off.
There you are, Peppa. What have you found?
Hello, my name is...
And she's the most amazing fridgy friend ever. Watch this. Oink, can I have a drink?
What's the magic word?
Oops, sorry, Oink. Can I have a drink, please?
Ooh.
Ha! Oink, please do the dishes.
Incredible!
Oink, please wash the clothes.
Impressive.
Oink! Please. Woohoo!
Amazing, huh? This fridge does it all. Perfect for a busy home.
Well, our fridge is a bit old.
How much is it, Miss Rabbit? I think we'll just stick with the fridge we have at home.
Aww.
It is better to and lose than to never at all.
Maybe we should just get that mixer we came for. Ours had a little accident, Miss Rabbit. Uh-oh!
I've got just the thing.
Can I have some juice, please, Fridge? Our fridge can't do anything, Mummy.
I know, but we do have a fancy new mixer to try.
Hello, please select my name.
Peppa loved her fridgy friend,
My name is...
Oink! Yay!
Nice to meet you.
and she really loves her new mixer. Today, Peppa's family are having a cleaning day.
What?
Today, Peppa's family are...
Did you...
See something?
Today, Peppa's family are... Is that a ghost?
Oh, you two.
Ah, it's not a ghost. It is Daddy Pig's new vacuum cleaner.
Very good. But this isn't a toy, okay? It's the Robomatic Zoomtacular Mini-Vac Auto-Cleaning Vacuum Bot. Mark II.
Yes, George. I think Mark is a good name too. Who's a good Mark? Yes, you are.
Just remember, it has a very important job,
Yep.
okay? It drives around and
Yep.
sucks up dust.
George, if Mark has a job, he needs a uniform. Come on. Yay!
Where are you?
Ta-da! All fixed.
La la business. Jobs are work.
hello.
Business.
Mark,
is it? Business.
I, have an appointment with Peppa and George.
Hello, Mummy. Welcome to Mark's new business job.
Very creative. But remember, Mark, the vacuum, has a real job, doesn't he? He's for cleaning, not just games.
Oh, okay. George, we're fired from business. Oh, well.
Oh, no.
Maybe that shelf wasn't all fixed. Sorry, Daddy Pig.
Mummy, Daddy and Peppa are picking up all the pots and pans. And George is trying to help too.
George!
George! Mark's... It's for cleaning, not games, remember?
Oh, gotcha!
Everyone is trying to catch George and Mark.
Maybe Mark's not just for cleaning after all.
But Mark is getting a bit slower.
This is quite fun. Whee!
He makes a great lawnmower too.
Oh dear, Mark has stopped working.
Guess he was a little full.
We were having too much fun and we forgot about Mark's job.
Yes, we did.
Everyone thinks the new Robomatic Zoomtacular Mini Vac Auto Cleaning Vacuum Bot Mark II is very fun.
Is that my tie?
Perhaps a little too much fun.
There's too much rain.
Today, Peppa and her family are driving through a very loud storm.
Just a bit stormy, nothing to worry about.
Much better.
The rain has stopped, but
Now there's too much mud.
I think we need to use the car wash.
Little muddy puddle mishap, was it? No worries. Our new car wash, the Dirt Blaster, will soon clear this mess up.
It's magnificent. Ooh.
George thinks the Dirt Blaster looks a little scary.
It'll be okay, George. We can hold hands again. We've got this.
The Dirt Blaster is spraying the car with lots of soapy bubbles.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It's like a rainbow, George.
Mummy Pig,
Yes.
your window. Your window's open. The bubbles are getting in.
Whoopsies.
Now, the bubbles are being blasted off the car with the water hoses.
It's okay, George. Look, the hose is here now. Now it's there. Where's it going next, George? Ah, there. Watch out, here it comes.
Who knew a car wash could be so much fun?
What's that?
The big brush dries the car, but Peppa and George both think it's a bit scary.
We've got this, George.
So they decide to help each other be brave.
We did it, George.
Well done,
done,
you
you
two.
The family car is now very clean indeed.
So, what did you think of the Dirt Blaster?
We loved it.
And our car's never been so clean.
Lovely. Well, come back soon.
Mummy, I think we need to go back and use the Dirt Blaster! Woo!
I didn't expect you back this soon.
Neither did we.
Everyone loves the Dirt Blaster. And there you have it, a shining new emergency vehicle. Ta-da! Today, Peppa and her family are at a car show. Right, show's over. Nothing to see here. Move along now. Shut it off! Shut it off! There are old cars and fast cars. And even...
Look, electric cars.
And that is why electric cars like this are the future of transport. Any questions?
Is the shift to electric vehicles really sufficient for reversing years of carbon emissions already in the atmosphere?
Egmont Elephant is very clever and knows all about electric cars.
Well, the electric car will no doubt continue to be very important.
Ooh, let's go on the toy cars.
I just want to hear the end of
This one's for you two. One for Peppa and one for Daddy Pig. Buckle up, everyone.
Peppa and her family are driving their own mini electric cars.
Careful, Daddy Pig.
Vroom, vroom. What a very noisy car.
And Peppa is a bit of an expert at pushing all the buttons.
Can I get out now? Phew. I prefer our car.
Come on, Daddy, you can do it.
Peppa's right. I can do it. Focus, Daddy Pig. Nice and gentle now. That's better. Oh, that's more than better, actually. That's fun.
Go, Daddy.
Good work, Daddy Pig.
Hey, what happened?
You're out of battery. Electric cars like these need to be plugged in and charged up, you see. Won't take a mo.
Oh, be right back. Faster, faster, faster.
Come on, Daddy.
You're missing all the fun.
Almost. There, fully charged. I wonder if it'll go any faster. Whoa.
Daddy's turned into a race car driver.
Time's up.
That was fantastic.
Excuse me, Miss Rabbit. Can we buy an electric car, please?
We might need to save up a bit first, Peppa. So let's have another go on the toy cars instead. What do you think, Daddy Pig?
Daddy?
Watch out! Speed machine coming through! Woohoo!
Daddy Pig loves driving electric cars. Everyone loves driving electric cars. Today, Peppa and her family have come to the opticians.
Whoa!
Daddy Pig needs some new glasses. Daddy Pig?
Coming! Oops.
This way, Daddy.
Dr. Pony is an optician, which means he looks after people's eyes. So, Daddy Pig, what happened to your old glasses?
Well, there was a bit of a mishap in the kitchen with the soap and a ball and a blender.
Yep, that'll do it. We'll just do a few tests to check your eyes are healthy, and then we can see about getting you some new glasses.
Thank you. Oh.
Right, pop your chin just here and keep your eyes wide open, please.
Like this?
Like this. What?
Now you'll just feel a little puff of air, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Done. Now just blink lots for me.
3, 2, 1. When did you have onions, George?
Now we'll take a picture of your eye. Pop your head here, please.
Okie dokie.
We can take pictures of our eyes too, George.
Hold nice and still.
I can see you.
And all done. Your eyes look very healthy, Daddy Pig. So now we'll see how good your eyesight is.
It's not so bad. Oh.
Okay now, focus on this picture of a hot air balloon and tell me if it's better or worse. Dr. Pony is checking how well Daddy Pig can see. by using a picture.
Better?
And now, better or worse?
No, worse.
Look, George. We can see a hot air balloon too.
Ah, you two must have very good eyesight to see that.
It is nice, isn't it?
Well, you still need glasses, Daddy Pig. But the good news is we have lots of options for you to pick from.
I see.
What about these?
We also have these if you'd like. They're just like your old ones.
Oh. Sold. I'll take 'em.
Aww.
Would you like an extra pair in case you have any other accidents in the kitchen with the blender? Daddy Pig loves his old glasses,
Thank you, Dr. Pony.
But Peppa and George love his new spare glasses.
Mummy, I really need a wee. Mummy, I'm bursting.
Aha! Don't worry, Peppa. There's a toilet right here.
Today, Peppa really needs the toilet. And this is a very fancy toilet.
Where is the toilet?
Oh, Peppa. It's, I don't know where it is.
It's here!
Do you need the toilet, George?
No. All done. Now to wash our hands. Nice and clean.
Now, where is the flush button?
I think this one looks quite flushy.
Peppa has turned on the hand dryer by mistake.
Whoops! Maybe it's this one. Oh. Or maybe it's this one. Pop, pop, pop. Pop.
Mummy, can we go to the toilet, please?
There's only one button left that hasn't been pushed.
Flush must be this one. Phew, all done.
Now, George, you definitely don't need the toilet before we go?
No.
Lovely. Come on, then.
But, Mummy, it's very messy in here.
Don't worry, this is a very fancy toilet. So all we need to do is step outside. And as if by magic, ta-da! Ooh!
The very fancy toilet cleans itself.
This toilet is amazing.
Peppa and her family are heading home. But George is getting very wriggly.
What's the matter, George? Do you need the toilet?
But we've just been to the toilet. All right, back we go.
Oh. I hope you can hold it, George.
George is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Everyone is desperate to use the very fancy toilet.
Choo-choo!
Today, Peppa and her family are at a sushi restaurant. Sushi is a yummy food from Japan.
There's no one to order food from. I think this restaurant is closed, Mummy.
It isn't closed, Peppa. We get our food from the train.
Choo-choo!
And our drinks from this screen. Like this. Like this. Oh, come on.
Did you mean to order 17 lychee juices?
I hope we're all thirsty.
Here comes a train.
George likes all the bowls that are green like his...
Tiny shoe! Tiny shoe!
And Peppa thinks all the colourful bowls look yummy.
I'll have a blue one and a pink one. Ooh, and an orange one.
Just pick the ones you like, Peppa.
Okay. Thank you, Food Train.
Oh, but maybe not all the ones you like. 2 or 3 should be plenty.
Oh. Bye-bye, Food Train.
Right, dig in, everyone.
What are those, Mummy?
They're chopsticks. It's how they eat sushi in Japan, where sushi comes from.
And you've got special chopsticks to help you learn.
Oh.
If you have any trouble, just ask us. Oh, they can be a bit tricky. Whoops.
I don't need any help.
Thank you, George.
Oh, you're a natural. Let me take a video for Granny and Grandpa Pig. Oh, whoopsie. Runaway phone, Daddy Pig.
I've got it. Oh, no, I don't. Sorry, excuse us. Come back. Sorry, yes, sorry. Stop that train.
Mummy and Daddy can't catch the runaway phone.
Maybe one of the chefs. We'll find it.
Try these. They're easy squeezy.
Aha! Oh,
Your phone.
Mummy Pig has found her phone inside a sushi roll.
thank you, chefs. Gosh, it's thirsty work using chopsticks.
Peppa loves eating at the sushi restaurant.
Good thing our drinks are here.
Everyone loves eating at the sushi restaurant. Today, there is a dance party on the party bus. And everyone is excited. Well, almost everyone.
Come and join us, Susie. No, thank you. Are you okay? Yeah, I just don't know how to dance to this song. Oh, I don't know either. I'm just wiggling around with the music.
Whoa!
Oops, sorry.
Try doing this, Susie.
Danny Dog loves to dance to this kind of music.
Let's all try. Come on, Susie. You're dancing, Susie. Yeah.
Whee!
Whoa! That was amazing, Danny. I don't think I can do that, though.
May I have this dance, miss?
Yes, please.
Peppa is dancing on Daddy Pig's feet for this slow song.
Susie, if you stand on your daddy's feet, you don't need to know how to do the dance. Whee! But I don't. Oh.
Room for one more.
Oh. I know this song.
Oh, bye then.
This song is perfect, Susie, because it tells you how to dance to it. We just have to do the moves the song tells us. I'll show you.
Hop, hop, shake a shake and turn around and clap. Everyone, it's party time. We dance along like that.
Now we try.
Hop, hop, shake a shake and turn around and clap. Everyone, it's party time. We dance along like that. Hop, hop, shake a shake and turn around and clap. Everyone, it's party time. We dance along like that.
Yeah! You did it! Yeah! Thank you, Peppa.
Now let's all do it.
Yeah!
Hop, hop, shake a shake.
Everyone loves the dance party. And Susie really loves dancing with her friends. Today, Peppa and her friends are going to the sweet shop.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. I'd like to buy everything in the sweet shop, please. Here is my coin.
Peppa and her friends each have 1 coin to buy a sweet with.
Here is my coin too. And mine. And mine.
Wow, what a lot of money! But I'm afraid it's not enough to buy everything in the shop.
Oh, yes.
1 coin is perfect for trying my new sweet-making machines, though. Just choose a machine, pop your coin in the slot and push the big red button.
Strawberry laces. Nay, but strawberries are fruits, not sweets.
My sweets are made with delicious real fruit. Much tastier and much healthier.
Yummy strawberries. They look like hair. You're right. I've got a strawberry ponytail. My turn. My turn.
Emily Elephant has found a rainbow lollipop machine.
For this machine, you have to push the buttons to choose your favourite fruity flavours.
Yellow banana. Ooh, you love red apples. And pink raspberries. And blue blueberries. And green apples.
You like all the flavours.
So fruity. Look, it's a big spinning ball.
That's a candy floss machine. Why don't you pop your coin in and give it a go?
It tastes like coconuts. It looks just like you, Susie.
And now it looks even more like you.
What is that?
Only one way to find out.
But I thought this was a sweetie machine, not a money machine. Can I use this to buy some real sweeties?
You don't need to. That coin is a sweetie, Peppa. It's a chocolate coin.
Chocolate! Hooray!
Peppa loves a sweet treat from the sweet shop. Everyone loves a sweet treat from the sweet shop. Today, Peppa and her classmates are visiting a chocolate factory.
Can I try some chocolate, please, Miss Rabbit?
You can, Peppa.
Yay!
But we've got to make it first.
Oh.
Peppa is very excited to make chocolate.
How do we make it, Miss Rabbit?
With this machine.
Hello, machine. Can you make me some chocolate, please? Thank you, machine. Yay! Now can I try some of it, please?
Not yet, Peppa. We need to decorate it first. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to decorate the chocolate too.
You can decorate 1 chocolate bar each.
Ooh, it looks like a muddy puzzle.
Yes, but don't jump in it, Peppa.
And you can add whatever decorations you like from the table as long as it's yummy.
Mine is a carroty chocolate bar. Squeak!
Delicious!
Mine is a cheesy chocolate bar. Squeak!
Yum, yum.
And mine is a spaghetti chocolate bar.
Oh.
Because strawberry laces look like spaghetti.
Phew. Scrumptious.
Can I try some chocolate now, please, Miss Rabbit?
Almost, Peppa. The chocolate needs to cool in the fridge first.
The fridge is very cold and makes the liquid chocolate harden into bars.
And done.
Can we please try some chocolate now, Miss Rabbit?
Not yet, Pep. Oh, wait. Yes, you can.
Delicious! Scrumptious! Diddly umption! Squeak!
Is something wrong, Peppa?
No, I just really liked it when the chocolate was all runny like a muddy puddle.
Ho! Then it's lucky I have one more treat for you all. It's...
A chocolate fountain! It's just like a giant chocolate muddy puddle.
And lots of nice healthy fruit to dip too.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Peppa loves muddy puddles, especially when they're made out of chocolate.